Hey, welcome back to Black Lab Garage. Well, you wonder what kind of one-piece rear main seal to use in your 351 Windsor? They're actually not all the same. Let's compare some of them. You ready? Come on, let's get into it. All right, I was getting everything boxed up and ready to go so I can take the parts to the machine shop, and I had these seals here, and I just wanted to show you that even though they're all for the same application, they are not the same seal. This here is what Rock Auto sells, was it WJB brand? They were on closeout for like 50 cents or $1. It wasn't much. So I went ahead and got one of them, just for the sake of comparison. Here's a Victor Rines, and here's the old standard Fel Pro, which actually Fel Pros are a national seal, because it's all part of the same company. So let's get some measurements. Okay, the WJB is 0.369 wide. The Victor Rines is 0.369 wide. The Fel Pro, or National Seal, whichever one you prefer to call it, is 0.386 wide. So it's the widest one of them all. Now I do want to point out that viewed from the side, the Victor Rines, which is in the middle here, is the only one that has the ribs on the outside of it and is totally covered in I don't know, it's not Teflon, but like the WJB, that's just metal with paint on it. The Fel Pro, it's hard as a rock, whatever it is covered, but it's hard as a rock, whereas the Victor Rines is much softer. The Victor feels more like a Viton material or something. This Fel Pro feels like friggin' Bakelite, you know, the old brown plastic I used to make radios out of back in the 50s. That's what it feels like. It's right here on the sealing surface itself. And you can see this WJB is actually soft. This Victor Rines, which also you can see it has a much better made lip here. But the Victor Rines, it's way soft. This Fel Pro, or National, it's hard as a freaking rock. Look at that. If you think I'm making this up, look at my thumbnail here. Here's a Victor. Now look at the Fel Pro. That's how much force I'm having to put on it to even compress the seal. But now, as far as this first lip right here, not the primary lip, but this first one, you notice this WJB doesn't have much of a lip at all. So to be honest, there's no way I would use this one. The Victor has a nice primary lip right here, and then you can see the main lip, it's well made. The Fel Pro, it's not as protruded as the Victor. There you can see the difference between them. I mean, that's quite a bit of difference in sealing. So do I even need to tell you which one I'm going to use? There's no doubt about it. Victor Rines. Yeah, they've been around for years and years. Victor was an OE supplier for gaskets to, you know, not just the big three, but a lot of companies around the world. And they just have a better seal. Now Now, don't get me wrong, some of these builds you'll see me do, you'll see me use some Fel Pro gaskets. But in general, if I can, I prefer Victor. So, now that you've seen the difference in them, and you see there is a difference in them, I hope this helps you make a decision on which one to buy for your 351 Windsor with a one-piece rear main seal. Or even, I mean, the same thing would apply even to the 302s with a one-piece rear main seal. Victor's the way to go. So I hope this helps some of you. Be sure and hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Me and the pups will be back with another one. And listen to more Goose Creek. See you.